Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for PayPal easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register for PayPal, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type www.paypal.com in the address bar and press enter. Once the PayPal homepage loads, look for the sign up button in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the sign up button. You will be prompted to choose between a personal account and a business account. Select the type of account that best fits your needs, then click Continue. Next, fill out the required fields with your personal info. Provide your first and last name, email address, and create a secure password. Make sure your password meets the security criteria provided. Click Continue to proceed to the next step. Now, enter your address, including the city, state, and zip code. Once complete, click Continue again. You may be asked to verify your phone number, which is important for account security. Enter your mobile number and click Send Code to receive a verification text. Enter the verification code you received and click Continue. Next, review the terms and conditions, as well as PayPal's privacy policy. After reading, check the necessary boxes to agree and click Agree and create account. Congratulations, you've successfully created your PayPal account. To enhance security, consider linking your bank account or credit card. Follow the prompts to add your financial information if you choose. Once linked, you can start using PayPal for online transactions. And that's it. Your PayPal account is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.